find coefficient of variation or coefficient of variance. So once you have coefficient of variance, you should know the formula for that one. Coefficient of variance C into V is equals to standard deviation into 100 divided by mean. Okay. So we need to compute this, we need to find coefficient of variation. So what is the formula for coefficient of variance? Standard deviation into 100 by mean. So standard deviation columns you should know. What are the columns of standard deviation? 7 columns are there, which you need to by heart. Ci, Fi, Xi, Ui, Fi into Ui. Then we have Ui square, Fi into Ui square. These are the columns which we need to find. So first class interval, you have class interval and frequency. Copy those things here. 400 to 499, 500 to 599, 600 to 699, 700 to 799, 800 to 899, 900 to 999. Then we have 30, 46, 58, 76, 60, 50, 20. One more important point to remember is class interval frequency is given to you maximum times, but few times what they'll give you below or above data, below information, then above. You need to arrange them in order, then you can get class interval frequency, then you can start doing this one. So class interval frequency, then Xi, 300 plus 399 divided by 2. So that will be 349.5. Then 449.5. 549.5, 649.5, 749.5, 849.5, 949.5. The difference will be 100. So H is 100. Difference you can subtract last and second last value. Then we have to find total of Fi, that is sigma Fi, which is already calculated totals are there, 340. Then we have A is first value, I will assume always. You can take any one value as A, but whatever value you taken A, we have to take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 accordingly. Then Fi into Ui, 30 into 0, 46 into 1, 58 into 2, 116, 76 into 3, 228, this is 240, this is 250, this is 120. Then we have Ui square, 0, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. Then Fi into Ui square, 30 into 0, 30, 46 into 1, 46, 58 into 4, 232, then we have 684, 960, 1250, 720. From where we got this one? By multiplying Fi and Ui square columns, we get Fi Ui square. Now we have to find summation, sigma Fi Ui. Sigma Fi Ui is total of Fi Ui, 1000. Then summation Fi Ui square, 3890. We can find mean first. Mean is equals to A plus sigma Fi Ui by sigma Fi into H. A value we have 349.5 plus sigma Fi Ui by sigma Fi into H value 100. What you should do is first to multiply 1000 and 100 divided by 340 plus 349.5. $643.61. What we should do? Divide them, multiply by 100 plus 349.5. Afterwards, we have standard deviation. Root over sigma Fi Ui square by sigma Fi minus sigma Fi Ui by sigma Fi whole square into H outside the root. Root over sigma Fi square Ui square, we have 3892. Sigma Fi 340 minus sigma Fi ui 1000 by sigma Fi 340 whole square into h 100. What I said you to write as it is first value. Now square 1000 10 lakhs 340 into 340 115600 into 100. Now dividing these two 11.447 then 8.6505 into 100. Subtract them, find square root, then multiply by 100. See, after subtracting, don't multiply by 100. So after subtraction, find square root, then multiply by 100. So what do you get? 167.227. Now we have two values. One is standard deviation and the other one is mean. What is the value of mean we got? 643.61. Once we have these two boxes, we need to find coefficient of variance, standard deviation into 100 divided by mean. So standard deviation into 100 divided by mean value, 643.61. So after dividing and multiplying this one, we will get answer of coefficient of variance, 25.98. So this was your measures of dispersion unit. See, many of them, they are not copying that. By seeing video it is very difficult to copy. For that reason I am giving you notes. Many parents came to the college and said that no classes were going on. See, many of them are not submitting the notes. That's the reason I am not uploading the videos. By seeing the views, if the views are crossing 60, then I am making the next video. So if you want all the videos at a time, I can provide those videos also. But what you have to do, whenever you are watching any video, after watching the video, first try to do the problem by yourself. If you are not getting that one, then go through with the PDF, which I'll along with this video, I'll post that PDF also. Chapter 2, chapter 4, chapter 3 is over, chapter 4 is over. Now very easy chapters are there. Within 7-8 classes we can complete the syllabus. So copy down the notes, and whatever difficulty you are facing in notes, you can ask me by messaging me, direct message me on WhatsApp or message on the any other platform. I can explain you once again. Okay, if you are not understanding this one, watch video 2-3 times, definitely will get that one. If you are watching by forwarding the video, you are not going to get anything. What you have? Class interval frequency is given. First learn what we have to learn by heart. Columns are there. Whenever we are doing standard deviation, you should remember there are 7 columns, and there is standard deviation formula for coefficient of variance and mean formula. So mean and standard deviations are two things required to get coefficient of variance. So if you are good at standard deviation, same what is the process? Same standard deviation procedure. Extra thing is mean we have to find in this one, because in coefficient of variance, standard deviation is multiplied to 100 and divided by mean. That's the reason. Okay, follow this one and copy down the notes. Everyone have to submit their notes to me. Submit on in group, or else personally on my number you can upload that one. Don't upload in group, because other subject faculties are also there. So whoever is completing notes of chapter 3, notes of chapter 4, whatever PDF I will send to you, that from that PDF you can copy down all those things as it is, then take photos of that one, make one PDF, or directly you can message all the papers to me. It is quite heavy, but you have to submit that one before the very next unit. Okay.